guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Bibbidi box unboxing. I have this beautiful box right here. I think this is my August box. So two things. I know we're in September. So I think this is my birthday box because they do birthday boxes. And I think this box arrived a little bit late because one, I didn't select anything because I really wanted to be surprised in case this was going to be my birthday box, because typically every month Bibbidi will send you an email and let you know that the new items are live, and if you want to go ahead and add some items to your wish list or update your preference list, you can go ahead and do so. And I know that from previous emails that if you go ahead and do it right away, they will send your box out pretty much immediately. But if you don't pick anything, they kind of wait, I guess because they're giving you extra time in case you come back like on the last day. But I knew I wasn't gonna pick anything, so I wanted to be surprised. So I hope this is my birthday box. It arrived literally like the next day after we came back from Disney World, and I'm so excited to open it and to see what I got, because I've seen so many of these birthday boxes and you know, you feel kind of special when it's your birthday. Anyways, without further ado, let's open up this beautiful box. I do have to say that it's very light, so I don't know what they put in there for me. All right, so without showing you my address, let me open it. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it matches my pillow in the back. Look at that. Happy birthday to me. Super cute. Oh my god, I've seen these and it's like, you know, like it makes you feel a little special when you get this. Amazing. Okay, so what do we have inside? So I do have my packing slip, which we'll save for later. And then I have a birthday card, and it says, "Have the best birthday ever. Wishing you a magical birthday with love, the Bibbidi team, Branda, Becky, Amanda, and Trish." This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna have to like frame this and keep this. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so everything is packed like this, which is pretty nice. And it has the sticker. Alright, so when I open it, it looks like this. So I'm super excited. So this is a showcase collection. Let's see what I have in here. Okay, so it looks like Sorcerer Hat and Broom salt and pepper shakers. Super cute. Let me see. Oh my gosh, adorable. This is what they look like. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, amazing. I swear they come up with like the cutest things. Right. And then I have Mickey Expressions mystery pin pouch, contains 2 randomly selected pins. So this is what it looks like. And it also has here that it's Disney Parks and Resorts exclusive. So let's open it and see what I have. Okay. Okay. Oh, these are cute. So I got 2 Mickeys, a yellow and a purple one. Sorry, I'm like trying to grab them to show you. Oops. There they are. So cute. Aiden will definitely love these. Okay. And oh, they put like little stars in here. I don't know if I haven't seen this. Maybe they just put this for the birthday. Okay, so it looks like this is my last item, and it's Loungefly, and by the feel of it, it's ears. I can't tell which ones it could be, so let's open it. Oh my god, I haven't seen these. This is so cute. Look at them. I'm telling you, I don't know if I've been living under a rock, but I haven't seen these. This is adorable. I probably more than anyone likes the classic ones, the OG. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Let me try this on. How freaking amazing is this? Oh my goodness, I love them. So cute. I haven't seen these, and I can tell you right away that they feel so much more easier, lighter on my head than the than the Disney parks ears. This is so cute. Okay, I'm obsessing. Okay, so now that we've seen everything that's inside my birthday box, let's open up the packing slip and see. Okay, so my birthday card is free. All right, so we have the Disney Parks exclusive authentic trading pins. They are $12.99. So it was these two pins. Can't hold them normally. Disney Showcase Collection Sorcerer Hat and a Broom Salt and Pepper Shakers, which were these. I don't want to flip it over. And this was $24.99. And then Loungefly Disney Steamboat Willie piping ears headband was $30. So the grand total of my box is $66.99. I think it's not bad. I think it's not bad because I pay $59.99. I think I have the fantasy box. I pay $59.99. So they give you a little bit more value. So I'm super excited for this box. So I'm so happy with these ears. The salt and pepper shakers are like adorable. I can't, because I did tell them in my preferences that I like kitchen related items or home related items, but just like not too much. So it's cute that every once in a while they send me something. And the pins, Aiden's always, he's always enjoying these. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That really helps our channel so much. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.